Welcome to Star Coverage. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Thank all y'all for coming. This is a very special day for Hannah. She's worked for this day probably since she's about 3 years old. The lesson here for you younger ones is, if you've got a dream, keep working. Keep working for your dreams. She didn't give up. Things got tough. Times got hard. But she kept working. Academically, there's a key word. Academically, there was never a question because she kept her grades up. She knew where her focus needed to be, and she stayed there. Senioritis has hit, I will admit. But she still kept the grades up. She's still here every day. Keep your grades up, keep your focus, keep your dream alive. And soon it may be you. Hannah, congratulations. And we're very proud of you for wanting to represent us at Dyersburg. And the best of luck to you, because we know that's only a stepping stone to whatever's next.
We're here with Hannah Clifton, Millington Lady Trojan, and future Dyersburg State Lady.
Yes.
How does it feel to hear that?
That feels crazy, like unreal.
Now, when I talked to Coach Horton, the current softball coach at Millington, she said when she met you 4 years ago, you told her your dream was to play softball.
Yes.
When did you start playing the game? When did you realize you wanted to go to college?
Okay, I've been playing the game for as long as I can remember, like T-ball all the way until I've always just wanted to go further. It's just been my love, my favorite sport.
Okay, now you say your favorite sport because people in Millington know you play multiple sports. You're one of our best athletes in our coverage area. You had a little time in volleyball, historic time in volleyball. Talk about how that's helped you as a student athlete during your 4 years of the volleyball experience.
I mean, I guess just having something to do year round so that I'm not like really just like overwhelmed when softball gets here or
not too wound up.
Yeah.
And y'all made history. That had to be pretty special. The junior, talk about that moment.
It felt fantastic. Just do something that nobody else can do or nobody else thinks that you can do.
And now the reason why I bring that up because you shared that experience with your dad, Tommy Jr. He's part of the first undefeated football team here in Millington back in 91 or 92. No, it was early 90s.
Yeah.
And y'all get to share that part of that. So Clifton 90 is very prominent around here. There's this guy walking around in a ball cap that coaches a lot of football. There's a guy that wears number 10 that plays a little football. Granddad, brother. Talk about being part of that legacy and carving your own niche.
It has its perks, but it also has its downfalls just because everybody's got their eye out for you and everybody knows who you are, and that's fun, but also like overwhelming sometimes. But I would rather be a part of any other family.
Yes, ma'am. Did you use it to motivate yourself and use it to your advantage?
Yeah, just because I mean a lot of people expect a lot out of all of us just because you're Clifton, you're supposed to be good at everything, right? So I mean it motivates me to like be the best player that I could absolutely be, and just to like keep a good name with the Clifton name.
That's right. Now we're not gonna leave this person out. Lady Night David Clifton, the Jamon. 2019 Millington Star Woman of the Year. Community. She's involved in a lot of stuff, feeding the meals for the pregame for the football team, doing a lot of stuff. Hannah's around a lot of stuff, involved in a lot of stuff. I guess you got that from her. Talk about why that's important to your life and being a student here at Millington Central High School.
Since my mom and I are really close, and she does do a lot for the school, I like to go around with her, and I'm friends with a lot of people on the football teams and basketball teams, and so whenever she gets food, she always extends the invite to me, and I always like to go with her. And just being out in the community, being able to be friends with literally anyone that you can meet is something that I've learned from her, and it's a really good trait to have.
Yeah, y'all make Millington proud. We were just in there for your signing. A bunch of photo ops. Everybody wanted to be part of having a special day. How does it make you feel? A lot of people are here to congratulate you and celebrate this moment.
Just very loved and surrounded with family outside of blood.
Okay. Well, a couple more questions for you. Another special person in there, and this means a lot to her, Coach Horton. Y'all both got on in the school at the same time, her first year as a coach, your freshman. She saw something in you and put you out there as a freshman, and you played for her ever since. What does it mean that she saw that confidence, and she had that confidence in you to put you out there?
I mean, it means a lot to me, and it helps to boost my self-confidence, I guess, and it makes me realize that I'm good, and I like for her to be able to use me as an example. And I mean, it's gonna be very bittersweet leaving tonight just because she's been the only coach I've had all 4 years versus volleyball. I had a different coach every year.
She was one of them one time.
Yeah, so
Yes, ma'am. She's special to you.
Yes, very much so. She's like another mom.
Yes, ma'am. Well, my last question for you. A lot of people, especially you, but you're special to a lot of people. When I interviewed your dad, your mom, and a couple other people in there, they kept saying the same thing. The player, Hannah, is aggressive. Don't like to lose. But the young lady off the field loves people, puts people ahead of her. What does it mean for you to hear people say that and they think that's your legacy here at Millington?
It's very, I like to hear that because that's what I try to put off is that I'm kind-hearted and that I care about what other people think and what other people are going through. Because not everybody has the same life as me, not everybody lives the same lives as me, some people have it hard. So, and then being on the field, like everybody wants to be an aggressive player, so just to be used as an example in more than one aspect of life would be very, I like that.
I appreciate that you take time to know the start. Congratulations on getting off the dive.
Thank you.